in 2025, if you're not using some form of AI automation systems in your business, you're not just behind. You are leaking time, money, opportunity every single day. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Kay and I help business owners and content creators automate their operation to make more money while reducing time, manual workload, and grow faster using AI and no-code tools. And I'm not just talking theory. I will walk you through the real use cases, the tools you can use, and how businesses are using these systems to cut costs, scale faster, and create effortless growth. The winners today, they're not just the biggest or the oldest. They are the most automated. Real quick guys, I just want to announce some things in here. If you have not subscribed to me on this channel, if you have not followed me on Instagram, please do so. We also offer done for you automation services for your business to be 10 steps ahead of your competitors. If you have not watched my other videos, please go ahead and check out on how I build these automation systems, but I don't want to mention all of these in one video. So let's get straight into it. So here's what AI automation gives you. More output with fewer people, 24/7 operations, faster decision making, less human error, and data-driven growth that compounds over time. So before we dive into the systems, let's talk about why this matters. Whether you are a local business owner, an agency owner, or an e-commerce brand owner, AI is your secret weapon if you set it up right. So let's break down the 5 core automation systems that every modern business should implement. Number 1, AI appointment booking system. What it does is it automates scheduling, qualification, and follow-up. It will automate your booking process to your calendar tools like Google Calendar, Cal.com, or go high level. Who is this system for? This is for real estate agents, salons, clinics, online coaches. If you have any courses, this is such a great system for you to adopt. We also provide this service as our top priority. So if you're looking for a few developers that you want to set up this AI booking system for your business, you can actually go down and fill the form. We offer you automated booking system, lead qualification systems, and building you a free chatbot as well. Number 2, AI voice agents and call answering bots. What they do is they handle inbound phone call, text messages, and qualifying leads. It can even quote to the right person or department. These agents and bots saves thousands monthly in missed calls and wages. Number 3, AI chatbots. The AI chatbots that I will be describing are chatbots for website widgets for Instagram and WhatsApp. What they do is they provide 24/7 customer support, handles FAQs, recommend products, and books appointments. This is a chatbot, like a text-based chatbot on your website, Instagram, or WhatsApp. Unlike voice agents, this is also more convenient for people who just prefer chatting. Another amazing thing about AI chatbots is that it can upsell, capture leads, and drive DMs into dollars. Number 4, email and DM automation. AI responds to common client questions, sends nurturing sequences, and can write personalized replies based on the context. And number 5, lead capture and follow-up system. So what this system does is it auto-captures leads from websites or social media platforms. They send personalized messages within seconds, and they book appointment with little human inputs. This is for industry use cases. So let's get practical. Here's how different industries are actually using this system. For real estate agents, AI voice agents that call back online inquiries and book showings. You can use it to lead scoring based on the call data. They can also use chatbots to pre-qualify the renters or buyers. There's another industry, number 2, restaurants. AI agents can take reservations and to-go orders by phone. It connects to POS or printers in real time, reduces no-show and missed calls losses. Let's just be honest, how many orders have we already lost because of the missed phone calls and no-shows? And I think it's even more apparent for real estate agents, property management companies, where one missed call can be as much important as $1 million. Use case number 3, salons and clinics. Number 1 use case is 24/7 chatbots that handle bookings, FAQs, and cancellation. The voice bot that handles phone calls and appointments affirmations. They also automate reminders to reduce no-shows. Agencies, service-based businesses. These industries need chatbot for onboarding new clients, auto invoice sending, and smart clients dashboards powered by AI for auto invoice sending. Imagine how convenient that is. So ladies and gentlemen, this is not future anymore. It's now. Here's the stack that I recommend and what we do at our agencies too. May.com, the engine that connects everything, and N8N, which is a powerful automation system builder which you can integrate anything, and I mean anything, with N8N. Fabi or Retail AI. This is for voice agents that answer calls or do outbound calls. ChatGPT API and Cloud AI. This is for smart replies, summaries, and AI writings, and Google Sheets for smart forms and CRMs. Calendly or Tidycal for booking meetings. Airtable or Notion for backend dashboard, SMS and phone number integration. WordPress or ManyChats for chatbots. You can also use ChatFuel, which I also like to use. If you use WordPress and ManyChat, it's easier to build chatbots. This combo lets you automate almost anything without hiring a team of developers. You can do it by yourself. And let's talk about the common objections and mistakes in building AI automations. Some of you guys might have some questions. Number one, isn't this too complicated? And the answer is no. These tools are designed to be visual and no code. You can use Canva or Excel. You can automate with these tools. Set up error notification, and once it's live, it often runs smoother than human workflows. What if my clients wants to talk to a real person? Give them the option. AI doesn't replace your team, it amplifies them. Because most people just think AI is going to replace us, AI is going to replace my whole team. It doesn't mean that way. AI is supposed to help you grow your business or to automate the workflow so that you will have extra time to focus on more important things and to reduce the cost. It's making you leak money, time, and opportunity every single day, not to just replace human. The biggest mistake is trying to automate too much too soon. Start with one system, improve it, then stack the wins. If you're still manually handling bookings, leads, or customer support, it's time for you to evolve. The businesses that win in 2025 will be the ones that leverage AI as a teammate, not treat it like a threat. And if you're ready to build these automated systems for your business or for your clients, you can get a free demonstration call. I will link it down below. Or if you just want to get a consultation on what kind of operation system you need to automate or what kind of AI automation system you need to adopt, I can give you a consultation as well. Head over to the description and fill out the form. If you don't want to do that, just drop a comment below. I will send you my full tech stack and automated workflow templates. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this valuable. I've got more tutorials, behind the scene builds, and AI strategies coming every single week. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you have not checked out other behind the scenes and tutorial videos on my YouTube channel, please go ahead and check out. And yeah, I will see you in the next one.